Hello everybody and welcome your faces back to Crypto Jet, where today we're going to be talking about SNX or Synthetix in the fundamental sense and the technical sense first of all. So if you enjoy the video, you know the drill, like, comment, subscribe, ask me a question down below, and something extra that we're creating is this new free Telegram channel where we will be discussing different types of portfolios, the best projects in the market, and general information about cryptocurrencies. The YouTube channel is aimed to educate you. The Telegram channel is meant to help you invest. Now, let's move straight on to Synthetix. First, I'm going to plot out a few things that I see on the graph, and that is a price floor around the $2.5 mark, which we're likely never going to see again, but it's worth plotting as a zone. The next zone of resistance that's currently a support or acted as a support at the beginning of 2021 was this area right here around the $7.5 mark, which we can see the price hitting twice, 3 times right before it consolidated back down in this region, consolidated on it, slapped back right into it before engaging in one of the most bullish moves it's seen this year. Now, it was actually the most bullish move it's seen this year because since then it's been in quite of a heavy retracement, but it's engaging in another bullish pattern at the moment. So the all-time high was almost at the $30 mark with strong price rejection at that point, because buyers were probably securing profits. So people that bought anywhere from here, anywhere from a bit above, literally anywhere, they made significant profits up till this point and decided to actually sell the coin. So these candles with long wicks on the top and long wicks at the bottom, you can see some indecision in the market, meaning there is people who are trying to sell their coins, driving the price down. Whereas there's also people who believe that this project is a tremendous one in the long term and believe that this $28 mark is not the optimal price for the coin and that it can do a lot better, which is why you can see these wicks at the bottom. So quite interesting price action actually to see. Something that looks very nice to me right now is plotting this sort of a downtrend line, which has been broken out of, but we kind of retraced it once again. So I always talk about these trend lines. Here you can see a beautiful short-term signal, this strong blue candle breaking out of the downtrend line. However, it consolidated once again, hit an area of strong resistance around the $22 mark, after which it just plummeted down back into the $13, $14. You can find strong resistance here as well. That's one of our more important zones. As you can see, hit it once, strong selling pressure, but price rejection from the bottom, meaning that this price right here, anywhere between $15 and $17, was a very nice price for a lot of people to buy the coin at. So this is how price action works. Very simple. There's supply and demand on the market, and the more a coin drops down in price, the more people will actually demand to buy that coin at that price. It's simple economics. Now, we're on the verge currently of breaking through another zone, very important one of support/resistance. I expect a consolidation around this area before either a break or another move down into this $13 mark to retest it and then start moving upwards again once new people enter the market and find out what this project actually is. So a few scenarios that we can see. One is moving downwards before reversing, making a change of trend, a break of the structure, retesting this area, and then moving upwards again. The other more probable thing is that it's going to break out of it right away and then start moving in a bullish manner once again. Now, to time your entries, you should probably go on the 4-hour chart or 1-hour chart to see how the situation actually looks there. It's looking pretty bullish at the moment, but please watch out at every single one of these zones that I've plotted out. See, you can plot out even more of them on the 4-hour chart because you can see more price. For example, this one right here, for example, off the top of my head, right? This one right here, you can see the price rejecting once, twice, 3 times, consolidating 4 times, 5 times. It's a very clean zones. So around all of these zones, you can expect somewhat of a consolidation before the price either gets strongly rejected to the bottom or strongly rejected towards the top by buyers entering the market and willing to snag up the coin at a discount, what people might say. So that's about it for SNX, and we're going to move into the fundamentals right away. So what exactly is Synthetix? First of all, let's just take a look at the price real quick. $18 approximately. Market cap of around $2 billion, which is not too large. 64th coin in the world, and this is another little glimpse of the chart. You can actually get this coin on quite a few exchanges: Binance, Coinbase Pro, Huobi, Uniswap, etc. Now, what exactly is Synthetix? Synthetix is a distributed asset issuance protocol, right? Built on the Ethereum network. So essentially what it does is enable users to issue and trade synthetic decentralized assets. Now, this doesn't only include your classic blend of assets and cryptocurrencies, but also you can use fiat currencies, even commodities, even pretty much anything that you can think of, you can assetize using this network. So it's the derivatives liquidity protocol. Synthetix is the backbone for derivatives trading in DeFi or decentralized finance. So here you see the value locked in the whole project, quite a bit of money, $2.1 billion. As you may know, the DeFi or decentralized finance movement is trying to take the original premise of using crypto as a form of payment even further, right? So they're trying to expand on the possibilities that you can use, that you can do pretty much anything that you can using today's fiat system with cryptocurrencies, right? So if the DeFi movement actually succeeds, everyone in the world, literally everyone, will have easy access to financial services and instruments, but without the need for intermediaries. So having a completely decentralized system will be cheaper and more efficient for everyone because you don't have to pay fees and you don't have to go through a middleman. You just go directly from person to person. These things that can be built on Synthetix or a lot of these other DeFi projects are actually insurance products, what else? Loans, investments, saving accounts, debt, pretty much anything that you can do with a bank right now, you can do on the DeFi space, right? In cryptocurrencies. That's very interesting. So how exactly does this Synthetix work? It works through smart contracts because it is powered by Ethereum, which allows for these smart contracts to happen. Now, synthetic assets are able to track pretty much the price of any other asset in existence. It could be a currency, it could be an equity, it could be a commodity, it could be other cryptocurrencies, it could be a bond, it could be a future, pretty much anything with a real world value is able to be assetized in quotation marks, because I don't think assetized is actually a word, but that's what Synthetix allows us to do. How exactly does it work? You can make a wallet and lock SNX tokens inside of it. Once this is done, you can use the tokens locked inside to create synths which track real-world assets. Synths are these things that Synthetix uses in their platform to track assets. It's very simple, right? The price of each synth is determined in not a very simple way, let me just say that, but all you have to know is that it is through oracles, and the main oracle network, which is Chainlink, is actually partnered with Synthetix to some extent. Now, you can also earn rewards by providing liquidity and collateral to the Synthetix protocol, meaning you put your coins inside in the liquidity pool and you just pretty much earn your money back through staking. It's like an interest rate. It's pretty much like a bond yielding stock. Dividend yielding stock, sorry. So a few other interesting things. So there's trading on the actual platform, derivatives trading, centralized asset management, a lot of interesting things, liquidity protocols, Uniswap, of course, because it's built on the Ethereum network. This all goes together, and staking for earning rewards. Now, what are these synths? We can take a look quickly at the existing synths that exist. So here's the tracking price for SUSD, like Synth USD. You know how, for example, on Binance you have BUSD. That's pretty much Binance's coin that follows the price of USD. So these synths are very simple, and it's not like we've seen them for the first time, but they are decentralized, which is what makes them so beautiful. So this is a lot of currencies, gold, silver, and cryptocurrencies down here. Even oil is tracked by this. So a very, very interesting concept. I really would like to see what's going to happen with this in the future. See crypto, forex, equities, commodities. This is a FTSE, the equity ETF, whatever fund, Nikkei, Tesla. Quite a lot of functionality being brought to us by SNX. And I think that's about it. If you would like to take a look, I encourage you on this website. They have a lot of interesting things, but we don't really want to cover everything right now. I hope you understand the gist of the video. And that would be it for today. So if you enjoyed the video, you know the drill. Leave a like, comment, subscribe, and join our free Telegram group where I will point you in the directions of the best projects on the market. See you guys soon. Adios.